Good afternoon, my friends. I hope all of you are having an awesome, fantastic day. And welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I'm going to be making something really fun. Guys, this is my favorite thing to drink at Walt Disney World. If you have ever visited the Polynesian resort, you probably know what drink I'm talking about. That's right. Today, I'm going to be making the Lapu Lapu from Disney's Polynesian Resort. This drink is very well known at Walt Disney World. You can get it at Trader Sam's, you can get it at Ohana Dinner, and at Tambu Lounge, which is the bar right outside of Ohana. I'm super excited to make this video for you guys. I can't wait to drink it. I miss Disney. I miss this drink a lot. I've been craving Ohana Dinner, so let's not waste any time. I hope you guys are ready because I am. Let's go do this. The ingredients we're gonna be using today, we have fresh pineapples, pineapple juice, orange juice, a sweet and sour drink mix, 151 rum, Myers Rum, which is a Jamaican rum, and a few utensils, such as a shaker cup, a pineapple cutter. First up, you will need a pineapple and your knife, and go ahead and get your pineapple cutter out. Get your pineapple set up, go to about here, and just cut straight down. Save this for later. Put your pineapple right in the middle, get your core cutter, go ahead and set it right in the middle, and then from there, go ahead and start getting that core out. Go all the way to the bottom. When you can feel it getting a little close, put your hand at the bottom and you can feel it because you don't want to go too far down. And I feel it. And now I'm gonna just yank it out. That core should come right out. And your pineapple should already be in slices. Go ahead and get a bowl out so you can put these pineapple slices right in there. You just take the top off and they should slide right off. Yeah, look at that. That was pretty well done. And right here you see the core. Go ahead and get your little knife and just cut that out. Just gonna yank it. Just like that. And I do want to save this pineapple juice. Next up, make sure you have your measuring shot glasses. The big key to making a really good tropical drink, you want to make sure you measure your alcohol just right. Also, go ahead and get out your shaker cup. First up, go ahead and get out your rum. Today we're using Myers Rum, and this is the Jamaican rum that they use for the Disney recipe. But I'm pretty sure you can use any sort of tropical rum. And you want 2 ounces of Myers Rum. Go ahead and pour that in there. Next up, orange juice. And you want to add 2 ounces of orange juice. Next up, 2 ounces of pineapple juice. Next up, 1 ounce of sour mix. And go ahead and have you a cup of ice ready to go. And just add that in. And then go ahead and shake it up. A good 15 seconds should do it. Ooh, it's really cold now. The last and final step, 151 rum, 1 ounce, poured right on top to finish it off. And just pour it right on top. You don't have to add the top back on, but that's how they do it at the Polynesian. So we're going to just cut out a little triangle here. And finally, go ahead and add you a fancy straw. And now you're all set to indulge. Wow, I am surprised how it came out. It looks exactly like how it does at Ohana. But now, does it taste like a Lapu Lapu? Let's find out. It does! Oh my goodness. Babe, it tastes exactly how it tastes at Ohana.
Really?
The ones at Ohana, they make them so strong, you only need one and you're feeling good. But this one, wow, tastes just like Disney. Go ahead and take that off. I don't really like this. Bianca, you have to taste this.
Okay.
She's not camera ready today, but she's right here.
Oh my god.
Right?
That's strong. It's good.
But
it's really
does it
it's
taste
spot on?
Really?
It's
Spot on.
It's really good.
And that's not a lot of ingredients. That's not a lot of work. It is very, very fresh. Now you can add some of that fresh pineapple juice in this drink. If you feel like the drink is too strong, this will kind of lower that power down. But also, if you want more alcohol, you can go ahead and add a little bit more 151 rum right on top. I do want to say, I just finished my first Lapu Lapu. And I feel exactly like how I feel when I drink one of these at Ohana. These things will hit you hard, and that is what they're supposed to do. So again, it's pretty spot on. If you guys make these at home, definitely send me a picture on Instagram or email me a picture. I would love to see how they come out at home. Just like the Frushi video. A lot of you guys made Frushi at home, and I was very impressed with you guys making Frushi. It's super fun to make, and this takes 5 minutes and you have Lapu Lapus right in your home. We have a lot of unused pineapples. So what I did a few hours ago, I took a bag of pineapples, put them in the freezer to let them freeze up. And now we can make Dole Whips. It's going to take about 2 hours for the Dole Whip to finish freezing up, but for now, I did open up some mail from you guys. Let's head back a few days ago and open up some mail. I did receive a few pieces of mail. I'm gonna go ahead and open them. Ooh, I do enjoy Hercules. This is from the Linton family from Cleveland. Dev, thank you so much for bringing the magic to our family. Our daughter Kristen Bell is a huge fan of yours. She has special needs and we're planning on doing our first Halloween party in October. Could you do a video on how to have the best party experience for first timers? Stay safe and have a magical day. Jonathan, Mariah, and Kristen. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sending this. I have done so many videos on the Halloween party, but when Halloween comes closer, I'll be sure to do an updated video. The next one from the Berry family. How cool. I do remember meeting you guys as I was leaving Epcot from filming my Japan Pavilion full tour. Oh, how cool. They sent me a Disney gift card. I love these things. Hi Dev, my wife, son, and I ran into you at Disney's Beach Club Resort. Thank you so much for taking the time to chat for a photo. It really made our day trip even more special. You are true to your words. It's nice to be nice. Enclosed is a Disney gift card for you to use on your adventures once things get back to normal. Keep up the great content. We love it. Stay safe. Best wishes to you and Bianca, Kevin, Elizabeth, and Owen, the Berry family. Thank you guys so much for that. I really do appreciate that. You guys were very sweet and very kind. Ooh, what's this? Hi Dev and Bianca. I am a huge fan of Disney and I really enjoy watching your videos because your love for Disney just jumps through the computer to us at home. I just read the entire letter. I'm not going to read it all because it is a little personal, but she did send over homemade airplane tray table covers. Look at this. She made me a basketball one, and then she made Bianca a Mickey one. That is really cool. Thank you so much. And she does have a Etsy store. Thank you guys so much for sending over mail. I really do enjoy reading where you guys are from and how you guys found the channel. It really does mean a lot to me. I do have a P.O. box and you can find that address down in the description at the bottom of every single video. I do want to try it really quick. It's definitely not a Disney Dole Whip. It's not bad, but it's not good. The Lapu Lapu that I made earlier, oh my goodness, it was delicious. I've already had 3 of them today. It was that good. I hope I was able to bring some entertainment to you guys today, bringing the magic of Disney's Polynesian Resort right to your home and right into your kitchen. I had so much fun today. If you are trying any of these Disney recipes at home, definitely leave a comment and let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. As far as now, I love you guys so much. Remember, it's nice to be nice in YouTube. I'll see you guys in the next video. Prince Charming.
I ain't feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, were those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me